hatch on the 26-foot searay closes. You got a 6.2 motor with an Alpha 3 outdrive with a generator. 400 hours on the motor. I think 60 or 70 hours on the generator. This boat doesn't even need to be detailed. You got the washdown in the back, the platform, all the canvas, cover for at night, sink. This was dry stored. The boat from day one was dry stored. Let me get a picture of the dash. It's got automatic pilot. It also has windlass. Stand-up shower, generator, air conditioning. The interior looks like it's never been used. It's fabulous. What a beautiful boat. No bottom paint. As I said, dry stored since new. Wow, what a treat to find something like this. And it's loaded with a lot of toys. If you look at the gel coat on the bottom, the skid plate, it doesn't even look like there's nowhere, zero wear at all. Nobody's ever been on this boat. This is ridiculous. Not even up in the top where the sun would start to wear the stitching or anything. Nothing, zero. Even all the wood grain on the dash. No cracking, no tilt, no splitting, no delamination. Man. And then it also has a swim platform in the back. Beautiful boat, folks. That's it.